Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video, a very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Dow Jones, the US stock market index. I'm gonna tell you all how the Dow Jones could behave in the next week. Well, first let me request to y'all that never in your life take a trade based on my videos, based on my predictions, based on my range of the Dow Jones. Never do that, never in your life. And the other thing is that I only use astrology and numerology to calculate the Dow Jones, the range of the Dow Jones, the stock markets and the stocks. I don't use any other tool to predict about the stock markets, stocks or your life. Well, you must have read the title of this video, which says that my predictions regarding the Dow Jones last week were brilliant. I mean the predictions for 11th of March until 15th of March 2024. My predictions were incredible, remarkable. I'll tell you how my predictions were incredible and remarkable. Well, the upper level of the range which I had given you all for the Dow Jones for the week ended 15th of March 2024 was 39,080. And this week, during this week, which ended on the 15th of March 2024, the Dow Jones touched a level of 39,201. I had told you all 39,080 and the Dow Jones touched a level of 39,201 and it reversed from there. So I missed the target by a meager 120 points. I had told you all clearly that the Dow Jones would close above a level of 38,317 and Dow Jones on the 15th of March 2024 closed at a level of 38,714. I had told you all 38,317 and the Dow Jones closed above this level of 38,317 at a level of 38,714. I had told you all when the week would end, I mean the week which ended on the 15th of March 2024, the Dow Jones would remain from flat to negative. I had told you all clearly that when the markets close on the 15th of March 2024, it would remain from flat to negative. And as you all can see on your trading screen, that has exactly happened. Last week on the 8th of March 2024, the Dow Jones closed at a level of 38,722 and Dow Jones this week closed at a level of 38,714. Last week on the 8th of March, it closed at a level of 38,722 and this week Dow Jones closed at a level of 38,714. So it was flat to negative. So you see the brilliant predictions I have given you all for this week. Well, you would agree that my predictions regarding this week were incredible, remarkable, stunning. Well, if you want to watch that video in which I had predicted about this week, which ended on the 15th of March 2024, you can click on this iCard here or you can visit my YouTube channel Shri Aashish and watch this video. And I am not telling you all this to impress you all or to show off in front of you all or to brag in front of you all or to impress you all, but to impress upon you all the power of astrology and numerology. With my 30 years of experience, more than 30 years of experience in astrology and numerology, I have been able to give such predictions to you all in the past and I will continue to give you all in the future as well. And I not only predict about the stock markets or stocks, I can also predict about you, your future, your business, your career, your job, your relationships, your love relationships, your marriage, your married life, your children, your property, your education, your love life, etc., etc., etc. So if you want to consult me regarding astrology or numerology, you are most welcome to contact me. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. And sometimes in our life, we face some problems in our life. We face some difficulties in our life. We face some predicaments and ordeals in our life which are almost impossible to overcome by a human being. And for that, I can give you a solution. I can give you a remedy for your problems and difficulties, for your predicaments and ordeals. You know, this remedy which I'm talking about is a fusion of astrological remedies, Vastu remedies and religious remedies which can be utilized by any person of any religion. So if you want a solution to your problem, then also you are most welcome to contact me. Well, now let me start predicting about the Dow Jones for the next week. That is from the 18th of March 2024 until 22nd of March 2024. You know, my prediction about the Dow Jones is that the Dow Jones next week could trade from flat to negative next week. I mean, when the markets close next Friday, that is the 22nd of March 2024, you could see the Dow Jones flat to negative in the next week. However, I want to give you all a range of the Dow Jones just now. I mean the range for the next week. Well, my range of the Dow Jones would be that the Dow Jones could trade between a range of 38,108 and 39,144. And when the markets close on the 22nd of March 2024, you could see the Dow Jones trading above a level of 38,253. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here is something else for y'all. I want to tell you all that if the Dow Jones starts to trade below a level of 38,071 in the next week for 90 minutes or more than 90 minutes, 1.5 hours or more than 1.5 hours, then you can easily assume that the Dow Jones has turned bearish and it could lose another 150 to 200 points from that level of 38,071. And if the Dow Jones starts to trade above that level of 39,153 for 90 minutes or more than 90 minutes, 1.5 hours or more than 1.5 hours, then you can easily assume that the Dow Jones has turned bullish and it could gain another 150 to 200 points from that level of 39,153. But my view on the Dow Jones for the next week is that it could trade from flat to negative in the next week. But that doesn't mean that it cannot go above that level of 38,714. Where it closed on the 15th of March 2024, it can go above that level of 38,714. But on Friday next week, you could see the Dow Jones trading below that level. Well, this is all I wanted to tell you all about the Dow Jones for the next week. And here I want to end my video. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.